So I'd love to now talk a little bit more about, sort of your work on a day-to-day. So I know that's part of your role. Developing an AI first culture is really paramount. So could you help us understand what motivated UBS to explore this avenue, and what does it actually mean to have an AI first culture specifically at UBS?
So I guess the context is important. UBS has been is a huge financial institution. We've been working with machine learning AI for probably the best part of a decade now. We've got various different applications for how we can trade for our clients, recommending the next best action for our client advisors, all the way through to back office teams, preventing, detecting fraud, the usual kind of banking use cases. I guess what's changed recently is um, with the introduction of generative AI, and that has changed the world quite a lot, and it's changed how we think quite a lot. Previously, AI was something that was a fairly narrow topic, understood by very few, and used in some narrow scenarios. Generative AI has done an incredible thing, really, and brought AI into the dictionary of almost all employees across the organization. So I hate to use the sort of the cliche of democratizing AI, but that's the truth. It really has kind of opened up the opportunity for that to happen. Now, as part of that, we started to form a strategy for the group. We'd actually not had one before. And when we were creating that strategy, um, it became pretty clear that this didn't feel like just another technology or another tool that we were trying to roll out. It felt that it was bigger than that. And actually, to get this right, or to get the impact that we thought was possible, then we needed to think about this much more as almost like a business transformation, rather than the deployment of a given tool. So for us, an AI first culture is a place where, when you do wake up in the morning and you log on and you're faced with a challenge, whether that be a micro one or a macro one, so a day-to-day task or a bigger thing that you're trying to solve for, then we're asking ourselves first, can I do this better? Can I do this faster? Or can I do it more efficiently with AI? We're trying to get to a place that we're incorporating AI into our decision-making sort of capabilities, and into how we live and breathe as employees at UBS.
An AI first culture is about empowering your whole workforce to think more creatively, innovatively, identify opportunities for efficiencies, for speed, and so on, which sounds great, right? Um, but why is that so significant? Actually, like, why is that so important?
I guess the bit that I should have mentioned is not just what it is, but also what it isn't. So it isn't about replacing humans with AI. It's really this kind of concept of augmenting humans with AI, and allowing our employees to be more empowered to make better and faster decisions for our clients. I think the other thing that we considered is, we've all got eyes and ears. We can see this happening across the industry. We can see the pace of change and the level of investment that's going in. This doesn't feel like such a good time to be standing still as it relates to this technology.